Today's assignment, you're going to be pulling up this assignment called Google Doc Tools. Snip where they are. Snip, of course, is a special app that we use on Windows. It lets you take a screen pic of a piece of the screen. Your job today is to find these words up in these areas of the Google Doc assignment. All of these pictures or symbols have a special job for you. They will help your work go onto the worksheet. To know a little bit about them, we have to use a screen pic and put them in this column. So that means you'll be using the snipping tool, and then your job is to find the name up here. Now you'll notice there's some words up here and there's some words over here, and some of them will not match. That's because some of these words are also these little pictures or symbols to tell you as a tool. These are tool choices. These are tool choices. Some of them are words, some of them are symbols. Your job is to find this word amongst all of these and take a snip of it. Now, like I said, some of the words are pretty easy to find. If you want to find them on the symbols, you have to point and wait for it to pop up. So this one says font size. That is a lot like this. This says font. So you know that this area right here is what this needs. So you're going to use the snipping tool, and you're going to press new. And your job, of course, will be, here, I'll undo my magnifier, maybe that'll help. Your job will be to take a snip of where the font is located on the Google Doc tool system, on the toolbars at the top. So I know it was right in this area. I now have a copy of it, so I make the word copy. We go to this column. What does it look like on the screen? Paste it here. We've learned about keyboard shortcuts. So Control and V will put the image there. Now, one last thing. Do we know there's a keyboard shortcut? Yes. Show how. That means, do you use a couple of buttons on your keyboard to do the same thing what one of these choices at the top could do? Well, to find out, you would look up there, and if you point to one and you see the title appear, you will also see a keyboard shortcut. I don't see the words CTRL plus something else. So my answer to this is no. I do not have a shortcut. No keyboard shortcut. Now I'm done with that column. I have to go to this one. This is the second one from the top. I have to find bulleted list. So what I do is I take my cursor. Nope, that was already what we saw before. Oh, bold, text color. As I go through, eventually I hope I'll find either this title amongst these, or maybe it's already labeled. If it's already labeled, that's really simple, isn't it? Matching the letters. Some of them are a little bit more challenging. Numbered list. Bulleted list. What bulleted list? There it is. Bulleted list. Bulleted list. Time to take a snip. New. I'll move this out of the way. I just need this small little picture right there, don't I? Make a copy of it. Go to its column. Press Control V on my keyboard. That seems to be the quickest way to do it. Oops, wrong spot. Oh boy, I better undo. Go back to the spot. Control V. It is in there. Did we see when we highlighted it that there was a keyboard shortcut? There's a bulleted list. Yes, the bulleted list does have it. It says Control plus Shift plus 8. So over here, CTRL plus the word Shift plus 8. Remember, if you make the picture go in the wrong spot, always go undo. Now, I've shown you 2 items to find. You have these the rest of the way. It's okay if the pictures push the table further down the page to a new page. It is okay.